Hey team, really common thing that a lot of people get is tightness in the upper back and traps, which are these guys here, okay, and in the shoulders. So I'm going to teach you how to use one of these balls called a trigger ball, okay, to loosen up those muscles and make you feel amazing. So you're going to find a nice solid wall, okay, not one that's you're going to put a hole in or something like that, of course. And you're literally going to dig the ball around and you're going to find sore spots in the muscles. Basically, you're going to find like the little knots in the muscles. This is where all the nerve endings come together, okay? It's called a trigger point. And we're going to lean into that. So it'll cause you a bit of discomfort at first, but then it will start to relax, okay? So you can find all different parts around your upper back there by digging the ball in. And then you can move the ball around, find the muscles that go up and down either side of the spine, and you can relieve some of the pressure through those as well. It's kind of like a massage when you go to the physio or the masseuse and they dig their thumb into a spot. All they're doing is releasing these pressure points, okay? And that helps the muscles to relax. So then we'll follow me over here. You might not have one of these at home, but I bet you have a doorway, okay? So you'll be able to use a doorway. And really simply what you're going to do is you're going to get the ball, I might do it in this direction for you, and you're going to put it in the doorway like that, and you're going to lean into it, okay? And so the ball will be into your trap muscle, these guys here, okay? Which often get tense because we're behind the computer or driving our car. So we're simply going to lean into that and do the same thing. You'll feel them relax, okay? And you'll hold them usually for about 10 seconds per spot until you feel the muscles start to relax. And then last but not least is this muscle here called the pec minor. When it's tight, our shoulders hunch forward and that causes us pressure in the upper back. So we can do the same thing here and we can release the pec minor using the trigger ball, okay? So you'll dig the ball in around the upper part of your pec here, okay? And then you can use that same doorway to stretch out through the chest, and that'll just open you up, get you in a better posture, and relieve a lot of the tension through your upper back and shoulders. Hope that helps, guys. Give it a go. Me personally, I do this just about every single day. All right, enjoy.